Salam everyone. Today we will start exercise 13.3 sums of chapter 13. Let's start with the first question. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast. तो एक sphere दिया हुआ है बच्चों. So a sphere is given. अब ये sphere को melt किया जा रहा है. Means it's converted into liquid form. और उसे liquid form में convert करने के बाद they are converting into what? The shape of cylinder, and this is what? Sphere. The radius of the sphere is given 4.2. अब जब ये sphere को melt किया जाएगा and they are forming a cylinder and its radius is how much? It's recast into the shape of cylinder of radius 6 cm. Now the radius of this cylinder is how much? 6 cm. So it is, when we are going to melt any metal, then it is possible to convert into any of the solid shape. But here, as per the question, sphere को किसमें convert किया जा रहा है? It is converted into cylinder after melting and recast. Recast means एक solid में से melt करने के बाद दूसरा shape देना, solidified shape देना. So here I can say that the volume of the sphere will definitely same as what? Volume of cylinder. क्योंकि जितना sphere melt होगा उतना ही cylinder बनेगा. जितना the amount of sphere melted from the same melted metal, we are going to form what? Cylinder. So we can say that volume of sphere equals to volume of cylinder. So by using this relationship, we are going to solve this question to find what? To find the height of the cylinder. Let's start solving this one. For sphere, what is the radius? Radius is 4.2 cm. And for cylinder, what is the radius? It's of 6 cm and height we don't know. I took the capital letter here because both the radius are different. So I have to take two different values of two different variable for radius. Now we know that volume of sphere equals to volume of cylinder. Now volume of sphere means 4 by 3 into, it's 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to cylinder means pi r square h. Now if I take this pi to the denominator, so this pi and pi get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. Now replace all the value. 4 by 3. Now what is the value of r? The value of r is 4.2 means 42 upon 10, 42 upon 10, 42 upon 10 equals to r. What about this r? It's 6 into height. As I have to find the value of this height, I am going to take this 6 to the denominator. So let's cancel this. 3 how many times? 3 14s are 42. 14, 42, 42 upon 1000, and this is what? 6 into 6 equals to h. Now we can reduce it. This is what? 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 49 4s are 196, 196 into 14, it's what? 24 is 38, it's 7, it's 6 9 1, it's 4 4, it's 7 2 7 7. So I got here 2744 upon 1000 equals to what? Height. So I can see that height of this cylinder will be what? 2.744 centimeter. So we have to write down the final statement. Height of the cylinder is 2.744 centimeter. So this is the way we can find the value of height of the cylinder. Now for the second question, again it's the same thing. A metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So how many spheres are given? 3 spheres are given of different radii. So let's draw a diagram for this one. Say this is the first sphere plus another sphere plus one more sphere. So by combining this 3 sphere of radius 6 centimeter, radius 8 centimeter and third radius is how much? 10 centimeter. Then melted. ये तीनों स्फीयर को क्या किया? Combine किया and then melted it. ये तीनों स्फीयर को combine करके melt किया and they formed a new sphere. Okay? We have to find the radius of the new sphere. इन तीनों को मेल्ट करने के बाद एक बड़ा स्फीयर बनेगा. तो जो बड़ा स्फीयर बनेगा मेल्ट करने के बाद we have to find out its radius. So definitely we have radius are given R1, R2 and R3. So let's solve this one. So we already know here 3 spheres are there, smaller, bigger or bigger. We have to find the volume of the combining one. So the radius R1 is how much? 6 centimeter, R2 8 centimeter, R3 is what? 10 centimeter. The question which we have to find, that is radii. So let's take this one as what? Capital R or small r. R equals to how much that we have to. This is our question, to find the value of capital R. Now what is the volume of first sphere? So we can write volume of 3 spheres is equals to volume of resulting sphere. इन तीनों का जो वॉल्यूम होगा that is equals to the volume of the resulting sphere. इन तीनों को combine करके melt करके ये बना. So this the volume of this 3 sphere equals to volume of resulting sphere. Now so we can write V1 plus V2 plus V3 equals to what? V. Now what is V1? The formula of to find the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we can write 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, and for volume 3 it's 4 by 3 pi r3 cube equals to, now volume of this one with capital R is 4 by 3 pi r capital R cube. So these are the volume of 3 sphere and this is the volume of resulting sphere. Now what is common between all these 3? I can say here 4 by 3 into pi is common, so I can write R1 cube, R2 cube, R3 cube equals to 4 by 3 pi r capital Q. Now if I take this 4 by 3 over this side, it becomes what? 3 by 4. So no need to take it, we can cancel it directly. This 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, pi get cancelled. Because if I take 4 by 3 over this side, it becomes what? 3 by 4. So 4 cancel हो जाएगा, 3 cancel होगा. And if I take this pi over here, तो denominator में आएगा and it cancel this one. So no need to show all that part. Directly we can cancel it. So replace all the remaining value. What is R1 cube? It's 6 cube, 8 cube, 10 cube equals to capital R cube. Now 6 cube means 216, cube of 8 means 512, cube of 10 means 1000 equals to R cube. Now sum of all this, 1000 plus 500, 1512 plus this one. So we can calculate this. 216, 512, 1000. It's 8271. So I can write 1728 equals to r cube. Now this is r cube. I have to find the value of r. So I have to prime factorize this one to get the value of r. So let's factorize it. One 728. It's 2. 8s are 16. 6s are 4s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are, then again 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. Now we know that 216 is a cube of what? 6. And even if you don't know, you can calculate, keep on calculating this. It's 2108, it's 254, it's 227. Now this is what? 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. As it's a cube root, we have to form pair of 3 numbers. 3 number, 3 number, 3 number. So I can say that it's a 2 cube, again 2 cube, and this is what? 3 cube equals to r cube. Now taking cube root both the side, if I take out cube root both the side, it will be 2 into 2 into 3 equals to r, and therefore we can write r is equals to 12 centimeter. So this is the radius of the final sphere, resulting sphere. इसका radius क्या होगा? 12, which is greater than the largest one. It's 6, 8 and 10. उससे बड़ा क्या होगा? जो final वाला sphere बनेगा, its radius is how much? 12 centimeter. So this is the way we can solve question number 2 of exercise 13.3. Let's start with third example. 13.3. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging means what? From the earth surface एक कुआं खोदा गया and from that earth, this earth means what? जो भी मिट्टी निकलेगा, whatever the earth comes out means जो भी मिट्टी बाहर निकलेगा उससे क्या बनाया जा रहा है? एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जा रहा है. A platform is formed, is evenly spread out from platform of 22 meter by 14 meter. So this is of 22 meter and this is of 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. We have to find this height. This height of the platform we have to find. ये जो वेल है, सिलेंड्रिकल वेल, जो कुआं खोदा उससे मिट्टी निकला, जो मिट्टी निकलेगा उससे प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया, क्यूबिडल प्लेटफॉर्म. तो उसका लेंथ and breadth are given here and we have to find out its what? Height. Then definitely I can say that the volume of this cylindrical well, जितना मिट्टी निकलेगा उतने से ये प्लेटफॉर्म बनेगा. So it means the volume of this cylinder is equal to what? Volume of this cuboid. So by using this relation that volume of cylinder equals to volume of cuboid, we can find out the height of this cuboid. Height क्या होगा that we can find out. Let's start solving it. For cylinder, diameter is what? 7 meter. So radius will be what? 7 by 2 meter. 20 meter deep. So this is what? Height. So height of cylinder, let's take height as capital H, is what? 20 meter. Now this is for what? Cylindrical well. Now for cuboidal platform for cuboid. What is its length, breadth? Length is given 22 meter, breadth is given 14 meter. We have to find its height. यहाँ पे capital height लेना है and यहाँ पे small height means small h. So again we will use that relation which we discussed just now. Volume of cylindrical well equals to what? Volume of cuboidal platform. Now what is the formula to find volume of cylinder? It's pi r is what? Small r square, h is what? Capital, equals to volume of cuboid. Now cuboid is what? L into B into h. So replace all the value to find the value of this small h. So pi is given 22 by 7. Radius is what? 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Capital height is what? 20. What is length? Length is 22. What is breadth? 14. Height that we don't know. So we have to find out this height. Definitely we can take this both the term over this side. It will get divided. Before taking that, is there anything reducible? Yeah. 7 cancel. It's 2 tens are. So in numerator what left here? 22 7 into 10, and in denominator it's only 2. This 22 into 14 equals to small h. Now what is reducible here? 22 cancel. It's 7 2s are. This is what? 2 5s are. So 5 by 2. 5 by 2 equals to height. So we can write 5 by 2 means 2.5 meter. So we can write that height of the platform is how much? 2.5 meter. So this is the way we can solve question number 3. Now similar type of question is there, question number 6. Then after that we will do question number 4th and 5th. So let's discuss about question number. This is question number 6 of your textbook. Let's start this one. How many coins, silver coins, 175 centimeter in diameter? So coin is given. For a coin, its diameter is 1.75 centimeter and thickness is 2 mm. Thickness means क्या हो जाएगा? Height. So its height is what? 2 mm. Must be melted to form a cuboidal dimension. Means कुछ coins को melt किया. Now first of all let me show you the coins. And definitely this is a coin. So this thickness, you can see this coin. Its thickness is what? Its height. And its diameter means the maximum length of this one. Now if I combine, pile up them. I'll get a cuboid here. You can see here we are getting a, if I am piling up, we are getting a cylindrical in shape. तो एक कॉइन के ऊपर एक रखेंगे, we'll get a cylinder. So what we have to find here? We have to find ये जो है how many coins we are going to melt. हम कितने coins ऐसे, say this is one coin, ऐसे ऊपर और एक रख दूंगा तो और एक coin हो जाएगा. So how many coins we are going to melt to form a cuboid? of length. So volume of this n numbers of cylinder equals to what? Volume of this cuboid, L into B into H. From this thing, what we have to find out? Number of coins. कितने coins को melt करेंगे कि वो इतना बड़ा, जो whatever dimension is given here, 5.5 into 10 into 3.5, ये साइज का जो क्यूबॉइड बनेगा, सो उसके लिए कितने कॉइन्स हमें मेल्ट करने होंगे, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो इट विल बी व्हाट? n into volume of cylindrical coin equals to volume of cuboid. So by using this relation, it is possible to find what? Number of coins. But before that, we have to convert one more thing. This is what? 2 mm. We have to convert this into centimeter. Now we know that 10 mm is equals to 1 centimeter. 10 mm equals to 1 centimeter. Then 2 mm equals to how much? So it will get cross multiply. तो कितना होगा? 2 upon 10. So this will be 0.2 centimeter. So you can use this relation. So here we can write height equals to what? 2 upon 10 mm. So this is 0.2 centimeter. So this is the way we convert height into what? Centimeter. Because in a single sum you can't use different units. एक समय एक यूनिट होना चाहिए. Now this is for coin. Now for cuboid. This is what? Length, breadth and height. So length is how much? 5.5 centimeter. Breadth is how much? 10 centimeter. Height is how much? Here two heights are there. So better we convert this into capital height. 3.5 centimeter. So now we are going to find the number of coins. So we don't know the number of coins. So let the number of coins melted be n. So n into volume of each coin into is equals to what? Volume of cuboid. Now replace the value n as it is. We have to find volume of coin. Coin means cylinder over, as I shown you that it's pi. What is r here? This is what? Diameter. So radius will be how much? That we have to find. It's diameter divided by 2. So pi r square h into volume of cuboid. It's L into B into capital H. Now whatever the values we know, replace it. So first of all, let's convert this diameter. This diameter becomes what? 1.75 upon 2. This will be what? Radius. Radius क्या हो जाएगा? 1.75 by 2. And if I remove the decimal, it becomes what? 200. So I can write radius equals to what? 25 sevens and 25 eights. 7 by 8. What we have done, again I am telling you, diameter is given 1.75. So radius is 1.75 by 2. Remove the decimal. 175 upon 200. Here both the numbers are divisible by 25. 25 how many times? 175. It's 7s. 25 how many times? 200. It's 8s. So radius I am going to use 7 by 8. So n as it is into pi, 22 by 7. Radius, just now we got 7 upon 8 into 7 upon 8. What is the small height here? It's 0.2. So we can write 2 upon 10. Here length we know. Length is how much? 5.5. Breadth is how much? 10. And height we have to find out. Now if I remove the decimal point, I have to take in 10 in the denominator. Now reduce whatever it is possible. First of all, so here 7 get cancelled. Here this 10 get cancelled. Now this is what? 2 4s are. Now if we can cancel this one, 2 2s are, 2 11s are. So now write down the remaining term. N into 11 into 7 upon 8 into 2 into 10. 8 into 2 into 10 equals to 55 into height. Now better we'll take this. Now what is the height? Yeah, height is given, that is what, 3.5. Height is given how much? 3.5 upon 10. So this is also 3 upon 10. As I have to find the value of n here, I am going to take all this value over that side. N equals to, write down this value as it is. Now when this all terms will move that side, the denominator becomes what? Numerator. ये कहाँ जाएगा? 8 into 2 into 10. And this numerator comes to denominator. 11 into 7. Now we will reduce it. Definitely 10 get cancelled. 7 5s are. And this 11 will cancel 55. How many times? 11 5s are. So what is remaining here now? That's 5 5s are 25. 25 8s are 200. 200 2s are. So it's 5 into 5 into 8 into 2. It's 5 8s are 40. 5 2s are 10. 40 into 10, 400. What does it mean? So the required answer is what? The question is that only. How many coins required to form such big cuboid? So how many coins are required? So it's 400 coins. 400 coins are required to get a cuboid of dimension 5.5 10 into 3.5. So this is the way we can solve question number 6.